Hi, I just had a great idea and I'm going to take you with me as I prototype it. There are some tools that make a huge mess when you use them. In particular, right now, I'm thinking about routers and this little mini lathe that I just picked up. They blow shit everywhere. You make routers with good dust extraction, but I don't own one and I'm not about to buy one right now. And there is no such thing as dust extraction on a lathe. So the first thought I had was to build a base underneath this, since it's portable, with a little sort of backstop behind it and a little vacuum for dust collection on the side. That was just going to make this whole thing a lot bigger than it really is. And then I got to thinking, why don't I make the backstop the whole entire size of my bench? Just make like a hood all the way around it. And I was thinking for a while about how to do that, like making it out of plywood, trying to figure out how to make it foldable. But no matter what I was thinking of, it was just going to take up a shitload of space when I wasn't using it. And in my little shop, space is at a premium. Then I remembered the finishing booth that I had just made and that I had some extra plastic left over from it. So I figured what I can do is just make a couple of small posts on either side and just drape them with plastic. Okay, so I just measured and my bench is 27 by 60 inches, which is bigger than I remember it being. That's not really a problem because I'm just going to make a post on each end and I have plenty of wood to do that. I'm going to use some 2x4s. I'm going to cut up some 2x4s. And, well, let's start cutting up the 2x4s and we'll see where we go from there. This is just a shop project, infrastructure project. So I'm going to swap out a crosscut blade for a combination blade so I don't have to keep switching back and forth. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to rip off these rounded edges here. I know you've all been wondering about. I get the post stand, but what's with the dowel? I'm going to mount them in dog holes on the bench. Pull out these end holes. I'm doing something a little wacky. I've got my whole drill press turned to the side on the table, and then I've got the drill plate turned to 90 degrees, so it's parallel with that. So I haven't measured to see if the dowel will fit yet. We'll find out now. Ta-da! Perfect fit. Okay, this unrolls to be 10 feet. I don't think I'm going to need a full 10 feet. Maybe I should measure. And that's less than, so that's like 8 feet. Less than 8 feet. So I want to cut this 3 feet. See, when I'm not using it, I'll be able to roll it up like that and store it away nice and easy. Okay, now time to see if it assembles the way I want it to.